Hello viewers, today I am going to show my YouTube channel Solution Journals how to fix backup and restore WhatsApp messages on all Android phone. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. First open WhatsApp apps. Click on three dot menu. Click on settings. Scroll down, click on chats, click on chat backup, click on automatic backups, daily, click on Google account and select Gmail. Open backup. So finally, WhatsApp backup. Thank you.